Okay, day 3 of AMI packets. This one will be a short one. This is just a quick review on slope. Okay, so here we go. It says 3 siblings are participating in a family-friendly running event. The oldest sibling begins at the start. Okay, so I'm going to highlight some of the important key terms that they use in here so you can know where that line is supposed to start on your graph. Okay, so it begins at the start of the race and runs 7 miles per hour the entire time. So this is how quickly he's running. Okay, so we know that every line has either a place it begins or a place that it crosses through the y-axis. And that's kind of what it's talking about when it gives us that first little key term, begins at the start. Then we also know every line has a slope, which talks about how quickly it's either increasing or decreasing. Okay, so here in our graph, we can see that all the lines are increasing. And we know that the slopes change based on how quickly quickly they're moving. So this one's going 7 miles per hour. So that's how fast that person is running. Okay, so let me change colors. Then it says the middle sibling begins at the start and walks at 3.5 miles per hour throughout the race. So these 2 siblings right here are starting at the same point. Okay, well, the only 2 lines that start at the same point are B and C. They start at 0, the starting point of all of graphs that we know, the origin. Okay, so between those 2, one was going 7 miles per hour and one was going 3.5 miles per hour. So the oldest sibling was going a lot faster. So that means its slope is going to be a lot steeper. Okay, so between those 2 lines, which one was going faster? Which one was covering more ground in less time? Okay, well, we can see that line B was doing that. Okay, they were going a further distance in less time. Okay, so the oldest sibling had to have been graph B. All right, so if that's the case, and the middle sibling was the one that started at the starting line and they were going 3.5 miles per hour, then they must have been line C. And then the last one, we obviously know which one it's going to be, but let's talk about it and see why it is that. The youngest sibling joins the race 4 miles from the starting line. So unlike B and C, they don't start at 0. They start at 4 miles from the starting line. Okay, so they don't start at the beginning. So it makes sense that that line starts at the 4 on our y-axis. All right, and then they run 5 miles per hour the rest of the way. Okay, so you can see that it's not as steep as B, and it is steeper, yeah, than C. Okay, so obviously the youngest sibling is going to be graph A. Okay, so that is AMI day number 3. If you have any questions, just email me, send me a photo, whatever you need to do. All right, see y'all guys.